Hello all and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make the perfect homemade hummus. First we take a pack and put it in a pot with a lot of water, let it at least 16 hours until it swallows all of it and it triples its size. Then we're gonna wash it really well. After that we'll return it to the pot. And fill it with a lot of water. Between 3 to 4 centimeters above the chickpeas. We put it in the stove, let it boil for 45 minutes. We'll cover it for the steam to make it hotter. And here it is ready. If you want a perfect and smooth texture, then we need to peel the chickpeas. Right now I'm doing it really slowly, but we can make it with 2 hands. It should be really easy, 5 minutes. And now we're going to blend all the ingredients inside. It's very simple. We take 1 cup of hummus and about 1 cup of water, but maybe we should need a bit more or a bit less. We'll know it after we blend. Half a spoon of salt, and this also maybe we'll need more, and some lemon. We'll squeeze it really well. And now we're just gonna blend it until it's all smooth. If we need to add some water, then we add it, but it should be smooth. And now for the perfect taste, we're gonna add 2 to 3 spoons of Tehina, but not too much, because after 2-3 minutes it starts to be really choky. So add it really not too much. After we stir it and we fixed the flavors, now we're gonna serve it. Yes. We add some sweet pepper. It makes it look very nice. And some mushrooms. We can fry them if we want. And the special ingredient, olive oil. Oh yeah, this will make it super perfect. We're gonna serve it with some vegetables and a hot pita. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me if you liked it and how your hummus went out. By the way, if you like it, you can add also some garlic, but just a little bit. It can add a lot of flavor to the hummus. And also, when you serve it, you can serve it with some parsley, and it makes it more green and freshy, and adds a little twist to it. Don't be afraid to experiment with other things. It's just a matter of experimenting, whether you like it or not. Should have more ideas, of course.